Well, good evening, everybody, and thank you for being here to see the car that is coming from the skies. What do you think, Nikki? What's the driving experience?
I mean, it's phenomenal, really. I can't really describe it. It really is one of a kind. It's in a league of its own. The driving sensation was incredible. I am still on cloud nine, having driven it. And what I love about it is it has this racing DNA, which of course is reflected in the name. The MC20 Cielo, the MC for Maserati Corsa, the 20 for the new era of Maserati, the 20 years, and then of course Cielo up in the sky. It's a timeless classic, isn't it, with that racing DNA?
Well, it's for us, it's going back to the roots of the car, of the brand, right? Coming from the tracks, going to the track. But this one specific version is giving the driver the feeling of driving a coupe, a race car, but with the comfort of it and the driving performance of that, but with the opportunity then to remove the rooftop. And it's the fastest way of removing the rooftop in its segment, only 12 seconds to do it.
Wow.
And you can do it as you drive up to 50 kilometers. So it's quite unique technical solution that allows them to touch the sky, hence the name Cielo.
Got it. I mean, 12 seconds, that is phenomenal. State-of-the-art, retractable glass roof. And what I love, of course, is while you're driving with the roof on, you're very much focused on the road ahead. You can feel all the driving dynamics, the innovations, and you're in the cockpit, you're kind of channeling, well, I was channeling my racing driver. I can channel, I don't know, Sterling Moss, you can channel Will Fangio, and really focus on the road ahead. But if you want to, in 12 seconds at 50 kilometers an hour, you're then experiencing the entire environment around you. You are kind of, enjoying. It's a bit of an assault on your senses, and it's just such a wonderful feeling. The only thing I'm a little nervous about, and maybe you have a solution to this, is it's wonderful having the roof open when you're in a hot, sunny climate like in Italy. But what happens if I want to enjoy the amazing environment around me, but it's raining, because I live in London?
Of course, well, we have the solution for you, because this car is named Cielo, sky, because actually you can connect with the sky, even with the rooftop on, because the liquid crystal technology that we have sounds a little bit like a substance, but it's not. It's a technology.
It's legal.
It's legal. It's a liquid crystal technology allows you to actually be completely transparent and see the sky without touching the sky, as you can do when the rooftop is down. So you can enjoy the sky, even in the rainy skies of London.
I love it. Perfect.
So you'll be okay.
So I'll be all right then. So I can enjoy the sky, or of course at the touch of a button, you can enjoy the privacy. Let's talk about the amazing engine. Tell me more about the V6.
Well, this is the heartbeat of MC20, which is the brother or sister of the Cielo. And, it's a proprietary engine, not only technology of Maserati, with amazing power, efficiencies, and technical solutions. Actually, this is the only engine in the last 10 years has imported technology coming from Formula One.
Wow. Okay, yeah. And you have actually got the exclusive patent on that Formula One technology. None of the Formula One teams do, but you are the first to actually use it in a road car, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah, the team has been very, very creative and inventive in finding this solution with a pre-combustion chamber that I could speak for hours about. Probably it's better if our technical experts will do that later, just for the respect of the crowd here.
Yeah, leave it to them. So we've talked about how this is really unique by design, it is innovative by nature, and it's also powered by passion. Now, not only is it made here in Italy, is it?
Well, I mean, all Maseratis are made in Italy. No made in Italy, no Maserati. So, beware of the fakes that are around. But this one and the brother or sister, the MC20, not only is completely made in Italy, but it's completely made in Modena.
Wow.
So it's a defining moment for us to be Modena with this car, which is made in Modena, with this distinguished crowd and audience of friends and family of the Maserati. Large family, because it's thanks to the Maserati family, which is based here, their passion, their energy, their talent, and their hard work, that these type of babies are born and delivered to the world. So,
and aren't we lucky to see it here today? And I hope you don't mind, but I enjoyed my drive so much. I've planned like a 3-month road trip with the MC Cielo and myself, if that's all right.
Oh, did you? Oh, I wasn't aware.
Yeah, I'm
if
head
you
off
don't
now.
mind to wait
That's
until
right.
tomorrow, because first of all, I would like this, again, distinguished audience to come here and see the car, from closer and touch the car and maybe sit in the car. But also later on, I'd like to invite you and the distinguished audience to a special experience and dinner in a special place. How about that?
Go on then. I'll delay it till tomorrow morning, but just because of the special guests.
All right. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
With this, thank you very much. Enjoy the car. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you for being here.
Huge round of applause for Davide Grasso.
Thank you, Nikki.